Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Dungeness crab legs. First, let's talk about selection. Whether fresh or frozen, look for vibrant color and no strong odor. If frozen, thaw them slowly in the refrigerator overnight. Gather your tools: a large pot, tongs, and maybe a crab cracker. A quick rinse under cold water prepares them for cooking. This simple preparation ensures a delicious meal. Boiling is a classic method for tender crab. Fill a large pot with enough water to cover the crab, adding about 2 tablespoons of salt per gallon. Bring it to a rolling boil. Carefully add your crab legs. If they are pre-cooked, boil for 5 to 7 minutes to heat through. For raw legs, cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the shells turn bright orange. This ensures they are perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. Steaming is an excellent way to preserve the delicate flavor of Dungeness crab. Place a steamer basket in a large pot with 1 to 2 inches of water, ensuring the water doesn't touch the basket. Bring the water to a boil. Arrange the crab legs in the basket, cover tightly, and steam for 6 to 10 minutes. Steaming gently heats the crab, keeping the meat moist and sweet, offering a slightly different texture than boiling. Once cooked, it's time to enjoy your delicious Dungeness crab. Use a cracker or your hands to break open the shells and extract the sweet, succulent meat. Serve immediately with melted butter, fresh lemon wedges, or your favorite dipping sauce. Popular sides include corn on the cob or a simple salad. Remember to handle the hot crab carefully and savor every bite of this wonderful seafood treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.